I hope you are all well today, it's Willie here. In today's video we've got a plastic visor to tint handed over for me to do my work on it from our brother, as it's for a helmet he 3D printed. There's a creased mark on the visor, so we'll see if the tint will adhere to the mark and will the visor still be able to bend. I hope you stay tuned and subscribe if you also want to see some detailing content on this channel. I've got some window tinting film left for this project. I don't do window tints. The difference between window tints and light tint is that when using light tinting film, you want it to stretch to conform to the shape of the lights. It's exactly the same as vinyl wrap, but in transparent form. If the film has air release, you apply it dry, but if it doesn't, it needs to be applied wet to ensure bubble-free finish. Whereas with the window tint, you heat to shrink the film to the shape of the glass and it's applied wet, but if you crease the film, you'll have to start over as that will show up on the finish. You can see I accidentally tore a bit of tint away on the top when I was wiping the area dry. I didn't have any tint left, but I thought of adding a strip of using VviVid's Tech-Art gloss carbon fibre. The top part of the visor will be covered behind the helmet. I'll put a link in the description below on the films used. As you can see, the visor still flexes and bends. If you made it this far, please hit the like button and show support to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. I hope to see you on the next one.